The lion has an unfortunate reputation for being phenomenally lazy, and I would just like to set the record straight. They're not real lazy, they're very patent. They have this sort of lifestyle that you really, as a scientist, also have to be extremely patent in order to get a sense of what's really going wrong. There have been several things that I learned about lines that I never ever would have guessed first and foremost. We wanted to know violent social all the other cats are solitary, militancy, solitary yet. Lions do so many different things at a group level. So, over the years, students and myself have worked together to try to figure out if they were social because of advantage of hunting in groups. The answer there is no, is it because they can raise their cubs successfully, and the answer to that is yes, but it's a complicated answer. The real reason why lions live in groves is the fact that they have access to very valuable territory. That's often centered around key hotspots in the environment, usually the confluence of tributaries where the prey become more abundant, so the lions have food, water, and shelter, and a pride to be able to reproduce successfully needs to have several of those hotspots so it can have enough food over the 2 years it takes to raise enough cohort of young in the back. She was one of the founders of this pride work, maintaining over 300 lines and 24 different social groups. We're interested in getting as much data as we can every day so that we can have a really comprehensive picture what's happening now in real time when you operate on the scale. You get a much better and more precise picture of what's really important in the lines live right now. We're actually enough the most exciting part of this 46 years research project because beginning a few years ago we started setting up these camera trips. Thus 225 cameras generate 1 million photographs a year, and for the very first time we not only know where the lines are, we're getting day and night information about where will the best, where are the grave, where are the card works. So the very first time now we know how the lines likely to respond to soft changes in the distribution of their prey threshold, their sub-changes territories over about a kilometer radius to survey. We're going to need hug stretches of undisturbed air, and there's no other country in the world that has nearly as many